In this video, I'll be talking all about content marketing and how content marketing can get you more sales, leads, and ultimately a bigger audience for your business. And so you can stop struggling to keep repeat customers and to get new customers. So make sure you stick all the way to the very end, because I'm going to be giving you some amazing bonus tips and tricks just for you sticking all the way to the end. So make sure you stick all the way to the end, because these tips are banger tips. So you do not want to miss this. Now, content marketing is basically a marketing strategy that digital marketers and businesses use to attract, communicate, and grow their target audiences and customers, all through creating what I call digital creations or digital content, like articles, videos, and podcasts, and all other social media creation. Now, when using a marketing strategy like content marketing, it can definitely help promote brand awareness within your business, and it can keep your business relevant when it's time for your buyers to buy. I'm going to be explaining 3 important popular content creations or components that you can use within your content marketing. I'm going to be revealing 3 common problems that content marketing will definitely solve within your business. Now stick all the way to the end, because you do not want to miss those bonuses. Now, our first content creation is videos. Now, creating videos is a great content creation because it's an easy way and quick way to inform your customers and your audience, and it's an easy way to entertain them as well. I would say it's a solid way to actually sustain and grow brand awareness within your business. By using videos, it's a very easy way to build rapport and to build relationships within your target customers. Comment down below if you actually make videos for your business, or if you're thinking about making videos with your business. I'd love to know. Now, our second content creation is blog posts. Now, when you create blog posts as a content creation or a component for content marketing, it really creates you as a trusted source and helps get people to trust you as a person when it comes to a certain subject or a certain topic. And it actually shows that you actually care about your business and what's actually happening within your products. Now, with blog posts, a lot of people don't know this, but you can actually attract brand new clients and customers and a brand new audience, all through keywords and titles. Blog posts can actually help advertise products and get you more sales within your business. So by creating blog posts on Google and different search engine optimization websites, you're actually able to obtain new customers over time. Studies show that 80% of companies prefer ads in the form of articles instead of traditional ways like TV ads or commercials. Now, a third content creation or content category is ebooks and infographics. Now, why I put ebooks and infographics in the same category is because they're both made to educate and bring value to their target audience and their customers. They both also serve a great amount of visuals and imagery wherein it tells stories or it talks about different topics. By creating ebooks and infographics for your business and for your products, you can help promote brand awareness to your business, especially if you use different brand colors and different voices. Now, our first common marketing problem that I realize a lot of marketers have is they're not getting enough traffic, organic traffic, and enough new customers within their business. Studies show that 90% of buyers start from SEO and search engine optimization websites before they actually buy a product. And 50% of content watched is from organic search. So by building content and using content marketing, it's a great way to build organic awareness within your business. That means free money. And when content is built the right way in search engines, you're actually able to build brand awareness over time at no cost. And think of how many times you may search for things daily. I know I search for things daily. Comment down below some of the things that you catch yourself searching for every single day when you are on Google or Amazon. Comment down below some things. I know you do it, because I know I do. Now, our second common marketing problem is not being able to get customers and the audiences to interact and communicate with our content. We always want customers to engage with our content so we know they're actually paying attention. But by creating educated and valuable content that you know your customer will get a lot of value out of, it can definitely make you a trusted source when it comes to your subject or your business. Just look at me. Well, you can say what I'm doing is becoming a trusted source because I'm giving value to target customers. So use me as an example. Great point. Entertaining and helping your customers can definitely help build relationships and to get them to ask more questions. And that will ultimately help you get more value out of whatever they're offering. The more value you bring, the easier it is for your customers to trust you with certain subjects and certain products. Also, don't forget to like the video if you're getting any type of value out of this content. I'll definitely appreciate it because it definitely lets YouTube know that I'm doing a great job and it'll help YouTube show my content to more people. So I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. I love all of y'all. Comment down below what business you have and what state you're living in. Now, a third common market problem that a lot of marketers have is they don't have enough money to reach new customers and to keep repeat customers. Today's customers do not like marketing that interrupts them. They actually like natural talk, like everyday talk. By telling stories that people can relate to is a great way to get engagement from new customers and new audiences. And content marketing can definitely pay dividends organically and multiply as time goes by. So if you market it correctly, it can definitely get you a lot of business within the future. Now it's time for our bonus content creation and our bonus marketing problem. So you do not want to miss this. Now, our bonus content creation is all about creating different videos and different content on different social media sites like Facebook and Google and YouTube, and actually using free demos and free trials to actually qualify your most interested leads and customers. By using demos and trials, it can definitely help decide who's serious and who's curious about your products and about your services. And by creating content on social media, it can definitely help connect your target customers to your brand way more naturally and organically. Now, I personally use different trials, free trials, and free demos within my business as well. And it definitely does wonders with getting a lot of customers and leads clicking and actually checking out my business. If you're interested, the link is in the description. So go ahead and check it out. It's 14-day free trial to actually use the tools to build your business. Go ahead and check them out. Free trial, so no credit card required. I personally think everyone should use different trials and demos within their business because it can definitely help in the long term. Now, our bonus marketing problem is not being able to sell to repeat customers every single week. So many people and so many marketers, so many business owners have problems selling to repeat customers and keeping repeat customers within their business. A lot of people don't know this, but marketing funnels is definitely an easy way to keep repeat customers within your business and have them buying your products every single week. So by using different marketing funnels and different sales pages, it can definitely help your business in the long term. By checking out that 14-day trial within the link in the description, it can definitely get you that marketing funnel that can definitely get you new leads and repeat sales within your business. So go check it out. By using a funnel, it can definitely be an easier way and faster way to build relationships when it comes to your customers and your target audience and bring value. Now, I can relate by using funnels within my business for all types of different marketing and sales and just to build relationships with my customers. So you should too if you're not already. But at the end of the day, content marketing is definitely essential when it comes to business, when it comes to marketing, and when it comes to getting sales and customers and a bigger audience. It creates credibility and it brings in leads and new faces for your business. So do I think content marketing is worth it? I definitely think it's worth it. So comment down below if you think it's worth it as well. I'd love to know your opinion. Now, question of the day, do you think content marketing is worth it for your business? Comment down below. And don't forget to try my free tools that can definitely get you more sales and repeat customers for your business. 14-day free trial, no credit card required. Link is in the description. First link in the description. Go ahead and check it out. And if you want to go ahead and check out my YouTube ads course, the link is in the description as well. Now, if you're looking to grow your business and to get more sales and more leads and more business period for your business, for your products, make sure you check out this video right here on the screen, whichever side it's on. You will definitely get a lot of value out of it, and make sure you stick all the way to the end because you'll get a lot of bonuses as well. Like and subscribe below if you enjoyed this video. Stay blessed and prayed up. I'll see you in the next video.